Okay, so you click on the Mac OS X and then you enter your information. And then school, hall, oops, and school. Okay, and then I'll scroll down, hit submit. It should say download Sculptris for Mac. And you click on it. And then it should ask you to save it, or it may default automatically to saving it. But once it finishes saving, I'm just downloading it. Now click on the Finder, which is along the bottom here. It has a little face. And then go to your Sculptris installer and then double click. And then it should open. And you should see this screen right here. And then you should be able to double click on the Sculptris ball and then hit OK. You may have to enter your password for the computer if you have one, and then you hit OK. And then if there's any messages that pop up, you can hit OK, and then it is now installing. You should see this setup, and then I accept, next, next, and then it's installing. Then you can hit finish. And we don't need the documentation. You can use that if you need it. Otherwise, you should be able to find it in your apps. The company that makes it is called Pixelogic, so it might be under Pixelogic or it might be under Sculptris. It looks like it's under Sculptris actually. And there you go, that's what it should look like.